To install Xumo Play on your Samsung Smart TV, start by using your remote to navigate to the home screen. Once on the home screen, look for and select the Apps section. This will take you to the Samsung App Store where you can download new applications. In the App Store, use the search function to find Xumo Play. Type Xumo Play in the search bar to locate the application. Select Xumo Play from the search results, then choose Add to Home or Install to begin the installation process. Your TV will automatically download and install the app. Important notes: Xumo Play is no longer supported on 2016 Samsung Smart TV models as of May 2023. Also, ensure your TV is connected to the internet for automatic app updates. After installing Xumo Play, you'll find it on your Samsung TV's home screen. Look for the Xumo Play icon among your installed apps. Simply select the Xumo Play icon to launch the application. The app will open immediately without requiring any login credentials. One of Xumo Play's key advantages is that no account creation is required. You can immediately start streaming content as soon as the app opens. Xumo Play is a free, ad-supported streaming service. This means you'll see advertisements during your viewing experience, which is how the service remains free to use. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you can use Apple AirPlay to stream content from your mobile device to your Samsung Smart TV. Both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep in mind that Xumo's content library may not include the latest blockbuster movies compared to paid streaming services. However, it offers a good selection of free content across various genres. If you encounter any issues with Xumo Play, ensure your Samsung TV's software is up to date. Regular updates help maintain compatibility and improve performance.